How to create a new Blender project. First of all, open Blender to begin creating a new project. When Blender opens, you will see the splash screen with several options. To create a new project, select from the available options under the New File section based on the requirement. Here I am selecting the General option to start a fresh project with the default cube, camera and light setup. This gives you a clean workspace to begin modeling or animating. Next, take a moment to save your project. Go to the File menu at the top left, click Save As, choose your desired folder, and give your project a name. Saving early helps prevent any loss of work as you progress. Now, you can customize your workspace to fit your needs. Blender has different layouts such as modeling, sculpting, UV editing, animation, and more, which you can select from the tabs at the top. This helps organize the tools relevant to your current tasks. Remember, you can add new object anytime by pressing Shift plus A and choosing from meshes, lights, cameras, and more. This flexibility lets you build complex scenes step by step. Finally, keep saving your progress regularly and experiment with Blender's many features to get comfortable with the interface and tools. And that's it. Now you know how to create a new Blender project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.